Alrighty, hey guys, so I'm going to shape up my nails. I've already completed this side, so I'm going to work on this side. So you're going to want to just shape your nails to whatever shape you like. If you like them square, I prefer square. If you like them oval, you can do your nails oval, whatever you prefer. Okay, so I have the desired nail look that I want. I like my nails square. Okay, I'm gonna get this one a little bit more, a little bit uneven right there. How is the weather, guys? The weather here is so hot. It gets super, super hot here. Hey, welcome, welcome. All right, so I think I got the look that I'm looking for. Yes, these are my natural nails, 100% mine. All right, so if you remember from the last video, I said I was going to show you how to apply them. I'm going to do a full nails of Mermaid Bergarid. It has some glitter going on in there. I love, love glitter. These also come in solid colors. So don't worry, if glitter's not your thing, I got you covered. I got solid as well. These also come as a pedicure, okay? So you can get these as a pedicure set as well, okay? So I'm gonna go right ahead, rip it open. Okay, and when you open it, you get a set. It's in a clear package like this. Okay, it is enough to do your nails, and you'll have some actually left over. You can also mix and match these. I've seen some people use glitter and mix and match with solid colors. You can kind of create whatever look that you're kind of going for that day or weekend. And again, they last 2 weeks. Okay, inside your package, you receive a mini nail file. I think my light's too bright. Okay, you receive a mini nail file that looks like this. Okay, and then they also give you a nail prep pad, okay? Okay, the nail prep pad is what you're going to use, okay? So your first step, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. And they smell just like nail polish because, again, guys, they are 100% nail polish. So they smell exactly like nail polish. Okay. And I'm going to go straight from my nail prep pad. And I'm going to prep my nails. So for this part of the video, you will not be seeing my face. You will be seeing my nails. Alrighty. Thank you guys for tuning in. So I'm going to start with my prep pad. Okay, you're gonna want to take the film part off. Okay, and then you're gonna kind of want to just match it up to your nails to see which one fits. Again, they give you different lengths because everybody has different nail sizes. Okay, so for me, this one's gonna work. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna use this for my thumb. I'm gonna just tear it apart from the strip. Okay, so now that I have the nail strip, I'm going to carefully remove the back piece. Okay, it's gonna be like a little white cardboard piece. Okay, simply tear the top part off. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my nail. Okay, and the good things about these, you can work with it to get the shape that you would like. That's the shape that I'm gonna go for. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab my nail file. Gonna take the excess, okay, and remove it. All right, and here is the first color applied, so you guys can see that. All right, so I'm gonna go straight to the next nail. And as you guys can see, they're real simple to apply. All you need is alcohol, a nail filer, and you're good to go. Don't you guys get tired of when you're nail polishing your nails and you think they've dried and they didn't, and then you gotta start all over? I've been there. I have been there. Okay, these are cool. You don't have to dry anything. Okay, they're done for you. I love these nail strips because they're vegan. I have natural hair, so I kind of like to keep my products natural, you know, so why not with my nails? Why not? Alrighty. So once you are satisfied with your desired look, okay, so I'm going to take this one up and I'm going to reapply it again. And again, that's why I love these, because if you don't get the look that you want, you can try it again until you get the shape that you are looking for. All right, I'm happy this time. I'm gonna just curve that over and I get my nail file. Okay, take off the excess. Okay, I like to push down on them just a little bit, so I know that they're on there. All right, this color is really pretty. It's kind of like Mermaid. Hopefully you guys can see that. Kind of has like a mermaid look to it, like fish scales. Really like it, pretty cool. All right, so I still have 3 fingers to do. I'm gonna go with my next ones. Okay, so again, you're gonna size it up. Okay. All right, I think I'm gonna go with this size. I'm gonna tear up the bottom piece. Alrighty, here we go. All right, I'm gonna flip them over and I'm gonna go for the desired look and I'm gonna shape them. Okay, extra pieces you don't need. Alrighty. So they're looking really good, y'all. Alright, so now I have 2 nails still left. Okay, that's too big, so I think the best one for this one is gonna be this size. Okay, tear off the excess. Alrighty, and I have my pinky to do, okay? Gonna shape it up. Alright, that's gonna be the best one for me. Okay, gonna flip it over and I'm gonna knit file. Okay, and this look is very, very affordable, ladies. Okay, I used to pay $40 in the nail salons every 2 weeks for a gel set. Okay, you can do this yourself. You guys see how easy it was. Okay, to apply. Alright, so now you guys can see that I have pretty nails. So I'm just going to go get my cuticle stick. So what I like to do, very, very gentle, I like to take my cuticle stick and kind of go over them. Very soft, very simple. You don't want to be too hard. Remember, it is gel, it is polish. Gel polish, 100%. You can smell the polish when you open the package. Again, this color is Mermaid Bergarid. Okay, so once I have it down, it's optional. You don't have to use a top coat, but you can. Oh, hey, Rima. Hey, guys. Thank you guys for joining. Hey, hey. I feel like I'm becoming a Facebook Live pro. Last Saturday was my first ever Facebook Live. All right, so on this video, I'm going to apply a top coat. Again, you do not have to, but I want to, so I am. All right, I got my top coat, and the top coat that I am using today is called Stick With It. I got it at Ulta Beauty. It's by Morgan Taylor. Is the brand. Is a longwear nail top coat. Okay, so that's what I'm using for today. All right, I have completely finished this side, guys. It matches my outfit from today. I was wearing like all blue, so it matches my outfit, which is really nice. So didn't have to go anywhere, didn't have to leave my house. I was able to do it right here. I can ship this to you guys. You guys can also enter the contest. I have a contest going on for a free set. All you have to do is like my VIP page, which is called Mimi VIP Nails. You go to that page, you like it. After you like it, you have to comment on that picture, and you can either share it to your page or you can tag a person, a girl or a male who loves nails, and you will be entered into the drawing. Okay, and again, that is for, you get to pick the color, and I will do the drawing this Friday. Okay guys, so get in there, get those free nail strips. If you guys want me to send them to you, I can send them to you free, no charge. Okay, I will cover the shipping. I will pay for the shipping. Okay, I just want you guys to try these because right now COVID is just spreading like crazy, guys, and if you could save yourself from going to the nail salon, putting your health at risk, okay, you guys can do these yourself. Save money, okay? I used to pay $40, okay? Save your money. This is half the price. They still last 2 weeks. Look good, different styles. Alrighty, guys, I guess I'm going to get out of here, and I'm going to finish the other set of my nails, okay? So I can have pretty, pretty nails like this. Hope you guys like my nails. Thank you for watching.